everyone. So this video is to help you with the Navigate planning homework assignment. The big thing here is you have hopefully already completed the academic planning homework. So you already have your program evaluation or the academic planner and Navigate and the degree plan or transfer guide from your future school. And you have used that to answer all the questions in the academic planning homework, and you are now coming here to use that information to actually create an academic plan. So the point of this homework, there's kind of two parts to it. One is just the actual task of, can you locate Navigate? Can you locate the academic planner in Navigate? Can you figure out how to add semesters to a plan? Can you figure out how to add classes to a semester? Some of you are already using Navigate to register for classes. If you are not, this is what we will use in the future. So part of this is just figuring out, can you do this? Do you know how to do this? Are you using the correct semester? So are you choosing where it says spring semester 2023 and not the continuing education that has a CE on it? But that's the first part. The second part of this is you are actually planning out semester by semester your remaining classes for your degree. So if you are college transfer, which is the majority of us, to earn that associate's degree, the classes you have left, which you established in the academic planning homework, you are going to plan them out semester by semester in Navigate. We're trying to get an idea of about how many semesters you have left. Which kind of semesters are you going to be taking? Are you going to take fall and spring, or do you also maybe need to take summer? About how many classes are you going to take each semester? So here it says typically students take 4 to 6 classes, around 12 credit hours. That's the average student. Some of you take less than that. Some of you take more than that. That's fine. If you're somebody that only takes 3 classes a semester and you have 16 classes left, then once you do this planning homework, this Navigate planning, you'll see, hey, that means I have at least 5 semesters. So that's 2.5 more years after this semester. So we're trying to figure out about how many semesters I have left, about how many classes I need to take each semester. And then you can kind of visually see, hey, this semester I'm taking a science class. I maybe want to pair something else with that that's not necessarily the same type of class. So maybe I don't want to do a math and a science in the same semester. Or you can kind of see, okay, hey, I have 5, I don't know, economics classes, and so I need to spread those out over semesters. So you're kind of going to get a visual of what you're doing from here on out academically, but kind of 2 things. Can I actually use Navigate, and then do I actually know how to plan, and am I getting an idea of what it would look like if I planned out my semesters? So you are going to be planning out semester by semester the remaining classes that you have left for your degree or to apply to your limited enrollment program. Just remember, your plan is going to be individual to you. Everyone's is going to look a little different based off the classes they take, when they take them, and what degree they are seeking. All right, so let's now go to Navigate and look at where we would start there. So when you log into Navigate, so you'll be on the home screen. I'm on the resources screen. You're going to log in to Navigate on a desktop or a desktop version of a tablet. And to use the academic planner, you're going to come click on the planner tab up here near the top. Once you click on the planner tab, it will open your academic planner. So on the right hand side of the screen, you'll see the semesters and the classes that you're either in or that you have planned.
And then on the left-hand side, it'll kind of look similar to your program evaluation if you looked at that in WebAdvisor. And it'll have different sections of classes for your degree. So this student is Associate in Arts, so it has the different sections, and then semesters kind of laid out just so that visually you have an idea of what you're doing. And if you've already taken a class, it will tell you it's completed. If you are currently enrolled in a class, it will say in progress. And then if you have planned for a future semester a class, it will tell you it's planned. So each section should have some kind of either completed, in progress, or planned with that section. That's how you know you have covered all of your bases, planning wise and degree wise. So for you, you are creating your plan. It might have some semesters already done. It might have the current semester in there, but we want to add the remaining semesters and classes to complete our degree. So we come over here to the right-hand side of the screen, click Add a New Term. And again, depending on what you are planning for, after spring 2022, this student might come for a summer semester, or perhaps they are going to come back in the fall. So I'm going to use this, I'm going to say fall semester. So I'm going to add that new term. And once I do that, it should show up here on the right hand side. To be able to add classes, it says you can drag your classes, so you can pick a class, pick it up, and drag it over. Or if you're looking for a certain class you already know and you don't want to like hunt through the plan, you can search for that specific class. So let's say you saw on your degree plan that you needed Math 152. I think that was one of the last questions in part 1. So if you saw on your degree plan at that future school you need Math 152, you could search for that class. And then once the options come up, you can drag and drop like we just did. Or if you're not big on drag and drop, if you click the menu tab, you can click Add Course to Term and then choose, I want that to be in the fall semester for 2022. So those classes are there. And then to add another semester, I just come back and do the same thing we did before. So you'll plan out your remaining semesters, and then it should complete each section here on your degree program. It should have either, like I said, in progress, completed, or planned. And when you're done, to turn it in, you'll choose this print option. And then instead of printing, you'll save it as a PDF. So you'll choose this save as a PDF. And once you choose that option, save it to your computer. And then that's what you will
submit that copy here to this link. And I don't think I'm in here as a student, but I think y'all have the start assignment button, and you will add your plan here for grading. All right, hope that helps. Send me an email if you have questions. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.